world is divided with two groups of people, and it's not the rich and the poor. The person that believes and the person that doesn't. Kaya sila masipag kasi they know may purpose yung ginagawa nila. When I say about freedom, it only means one thing. Can I share to you? The ability to do something because you want to, not because you need to. If we're not making 7 figures on a monthly basis, it's not about the 7 figures, it's about what's stopping us and blocking us from making it.
From self to relationship, leadership, and culture. Kapag nagawa mo siya sa sarili mo, mas makakapag-focus ka sa mga bagay na kailangan mo pang gawin para maging matagumpay ka.
Peace of mind and yung choice. Pag na-align po lahat yon, yung everything else will follow na po. Yung self-relationship, yung culture, yung leadership.
One common thing that we want is because we are new to everyone, we want to have at least our relationship to one another and also build a culture in Alta. And on that point, we see on developing and improving ourselves.
Corporations start to evolve. And because corporations start to evolve, nagkaroon tayo ng tinatawag na based on merits. Majority, in fact, 90% of organizations and companies today are still based on merits. Para sa pananaw ko sa buhay ko, gagawin ko to araw-araw. I will empower my people araw-araw kasi napakalayo ko pa, less than 1%. Are you just doing your job because it's a job? Or what's the higher purpose of what you're doing? How do you want to see your career? In your real estate, how are you observing people, Filipinos, finding a home? Finding a place where they can cry and nobody will tell them not to cry.
Regardless of your level, sales associate or sales manager up, walang exemption. We need to be advanced.
Kaya sila masipag kasi they know may purpose yung ginagawa nila.
So, dito sa trabahong ito, ang kailangan nating ibigay ay pinakakalidad kasi yun yung iiwanan natin sa kanila.
Maganda yung nangyari sa San Pablo. Bukod dun sa gumanda yung benta nila, yung income nila to follow, yung experience na naranasan nila doon, iba din.
Whatever I will tell you, hindi yan effect kung hindi tayo mag-align to your ultimate source. Automatic. Do you want to live away or to live a life na yung bills mo automatic? Yung travel mo sa pamilya mo automatic. Gusto mo ba yun? Yes or no? Don't make it your problem. Increase that problem. Kasi pag hindi yun ang problema mo, itong problema mo, it will pay for itself. Are you with me? I'm no extraordinary person that had extraordinary result because natutunan ko lang din. Maganda ba yon? Na ang lahat ng pwedeng baliin, pwede nating baliin, specifically freedom. Number 2, peace of mind. Last but not the least, having a choice.